Meet ThinkRook, your all-in-one learning platform for technology. Master today's most in-demand skills, including AI, Agentic AI, cloud, DevOps, monitoring, and more. Learn through hands-on courses and real-world projects designed to make you job-ready. Learn from industry experts with over 2 decades of real-world experience. Our instructors simplify complex topics into practical, easy-to-follow lessons. Getting started is simple. Sign up instantly using just your email. Complete any course and earn a verified certificate to showcase your skills. ThinkRook is more affordable than most learning platforms. Purchase individual courses or choose exactly what you need at budget-friendly prices. Want unlimited access? Choose our standard or premium subscriptions and unlock the entire tech stack for a minimal cost. Built by Thinknyx Technologies, ThinkRook is available on your browser, Android, and iOS devices. Learn anytime, anywhere. Ready to level up your tech career? Visit ThinkRook or download the app today. Start learning, earn certificates, and unlock your potential with ThinkRook.